Erin Conover-Murray, and this is Erin's Design with Wine. Stay tuned, because we are about to have some design fun. So I'm going to tell you a little secret. When I start a project, I think about my 3 Ds. Designer, drama, details. So every project that I'm designing, I want to think about what are 3 things that I could do that would push the envelope and make this space amazing. So I am going to tell you the 3 that I selected for Eileen, and lucky for me, she carried it on. First one is this amazing blue color on the cabinets. It is a Sherwin-Williams color called Naval, and I think it looks classic yet daring at the same time. Eileen had the most amazing idea to take her regular salt and pepper shakers and give them to the cabinet painter, and he painted them the Naval. They sit right here and look stunning. So smart, Eileen. All right, number 2 is this backsplash. This is the most incredible backsplash, and I have had my eyes on this for 3 years. It is from New Ravenna, and the pattern name is Simone. It is real marble and real brass metal in there. So I love my tile guy. He made the perfect cuts. We didn't waste any. And I think it turned out absolutely fantastic. That's the real showstopper. And then what that tile did for us is it started to introduce some of the gold detail that we have throughout the kitchen. So my 3rd designer drama detail is this amazing gold finish. Oh, I love this. And Cincinnatians are starting to respond to this. Eileen was totally ready to make a change. She embraced the gold. This is a Brizo faucet in the finish Luxe Gold. And I think right here, it's like a piece of sculpture. It's just stunning. And we carried that through with the hardware that you saw before, and even up to the pendant lights with just a little touch of gold. And you'll notice that these pendant lights are up pretty high. Design standards actually have you hang them a little bit lower, but I tell my electrician to take them up quite a bit higher, and that's for 2 reasons in Eileen's kitchen. The first one is that she has this amazing panoramic view of the Ohio River, Mount Adams, and Cincinnati. So I certainly wouldn't want to block that. And number 2 is that if she's entertaining, she can go ahead and have oodles of people here, and this pendant is hung so high that it does not impede your view. So you can keep the conversation going without having some glaring light in your eye. So I love this gold finish with this navy blue. I want to introduce you to my wonderful client, Eileen. I enjoyed working with Eileen so much because of 2 reasons. Of course, number 1, because she was a great design risk taker, and she embraced the blue cabinets, the gold finishes, and that spectacular marble and brass backsplash. But the second reason is that she went to high school with my mom. So I will always be very grateful and very thankful that you trusted me with your kitchen design, because it was a big kitchen remodel.
It went well.
So I wanted to ask you one question. How has this kitchen remodel helped you to be more happy at home?
First of all, it's brighter. I like the lightness in it, and it's easier to cook. It just seems more functional for me, and delightful to have company in.
Oh, cheers to that. And cheers to being happy at home.